Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, your Miss Virgin is for the go because today is my wedding. Oh my god, no! Today is the wedding day of my cousin, and we must be present early because the mass is very early. Oh my gosh! So we're taking the shortcut to the church. Yes, this is my outfit. Oh my god, it's so simple, and we came there. And guys, they are my cousin. And after the mass, we're having a picture because as remembrance, memories. Yes, they are the wedding couple. It's a beautiful vine. And we're having a lot of pictures. There, over there, child. And our beautiful host, Ate Greta. Yes. Nakakakilig talaga sila. Oh my gosh, nakakakilig, char. Yes.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again.
And my favorite part, guys, is the decorations. It's giving a fairy tale vibes because of the sparkling yellow lights and the combination of colors is very perfect. The supposed wedding is held in Mount Bagarabon Resort, Philippines. It's very beautiful, guys. I love the furnitures. It's very creative. Oh my god, it's giving us history of time because of the designs. And yes, it's me. Yes. This is the rooftop, the upper part. As you can see, we can see the swimming pool, the ocean, the trees, and the other buildings around it. It's a beautiful ride. So what are you waiting for? Book now. I love the pool, guys, because it's very clear, it's very clean, and the water is very blue. And I love the arrangements. It's very cozy. Cozy! And I love the food, guys, in fairness. And I also have dessert, yes. Ang galing ng mga cousin ko sumayaw, no? Sana ako din, Char. Ay, grabe, ang galing-galing talaga sumayaw nila, oh. Mga disco dancer talaga. Perfect. And this is my very beautiful cousin, guys, Ate Chi, Pa, Catherine Bernardo vibes, yes. Congratulations to the both of you. Pa, pretty ni Ate Joy, guys. And this is her daughter. Her name is Avery. Let's start you to the beach. It's so beautiful. The sky is very blue. The clouds is very warm. As you can see, it has a beautiful rock formation that many people love it. As we can see, the colors and temperatures are changing because malapit na kasi mag-sunset. Guys, look! It's so pretty! And also, this is the night view of the swimming pool. And if you have friends, family, couple, you can have a good time in here. You can relax, chill, and turn your night a very special moment of your life. That's all for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos and updates. See you in my next video, guys. Goodbye, mwah! Kay maligo pa minikuan. Uy, ano daw?